Alright class, now we continue for median. Alright, the median is the middle value in an ordered array of observation. The first half of the values of the data falls below the median, while the second half fall above the median. Okay, median ni that means di tengah-tengah. Okay, the first half falls below, the first half fall above. Okay, and then the median is denoted by the symbol x tilde. Okay, we call it as x tilde. Okay, and then for how to calculate median for ungrouped data. Okay, the median is the middle number if there is an odd number of data in the array. If there is an even number of data in the array, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. Okay, for the formula to calculate the median location by using n plus 1 divide 2, where n is the number of observation. So nak tahu location median, you have to use this formula, n plus 1 divide 2. Okay, so look at example 3. Okay, example 3. Okay, for median for ungrouped data, we have two observation. First for odd numbers, and second one even numbers observation. Okay, so for odd numbers observation, 7 salesmen sold the following numbers of cars in 1 week. So this is data dia. Okay, the ungrouped data dia. To calculate the median, you have to arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, awak kena susun the data ni mengikut susunan yang menaik. Okay, from the smallest to the largest. Okay, mengikut susunan menaik. Alright, so kat sini saya dah susun dah. That means 5, 6, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10. Alright, mengikut susunan menaik. Alright, okay, so to calculate median, you have to use the formula. You have to know the location first. Okay, the location. Macam mana nak tahu location? Awak kena guna formula n plus 1 divide 2. Okay, awak kena tahu location dia dulu. N plus 1 divide 2. So, n dia apa? Okay, the number of observation. Ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ada 7 data. So, 7 plus 1 divide 2. How do you get? 7 plus 1, 8. Divide 2. You get 4. So, 4 ni bukan median dia. 4 ni adalah location dia. Okay, location dia 4. So, kat mana dia punya median? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is median. Okay, 4 ni adalah location dia. So, and then you have to, awak kena kira lah kat mana location yang keempat. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is median dia. So, median is, then awak kena bagi tahulah, the median is 6. This is the answer. Okay, and then you have to interpret. So, macam mana nak interpret? Okay, for median, we know that the first half below, the first half fall above. Okay, so maksudnya median tu di antara tengah-tengah. Okay, kita akan interpret by percentage. Okay, dia tengah-tengah kat sini, 50. Let's say 50. So 50% less, 50% more. Sebab median dia punya orang kata median tu kat tengah-tengah. Okay, ada yang 50% less, 50% more. So how to interpret? Yang ni saya dah siap tulis lah. Okay, this means that 50% of the salesmen. Kenapa bagi tahu salesman? Sebab tengok pada statement. Okay, salesmen, 7 salesmen sold the number of cars in 1 week. Okay, so dia punya point dia for median, this means that 50% of the salesmen sold less than berapa? Median dia 6. So less than 6 cars. Less than 6 cars, and 50% of the others sold more than 6 cars in 1 week. Okay, boleh faham nah? Okay, first awak cari location dulu, and then location dia location keempat, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the median is 6. Okay, jawapan dia 6. So for median, how to interpret? Awak kena bagi tahu 50% less, 50% more. Okay, based on statement. Kalau statement berdasarkan salesman sold less than, so less than berapa? 6 car. Median dia 6. So less than 6 cars, and 50% of the others sold more than 6 cars in 1 week. Okay, macam tu cara nak interpret for median. Alright. And then, okay, this is for odd number observation. How about even number observation? Each salesman sold the following numbers of cars in 1 week. So this is the ungrouped data. Okay, saya hanya tambah yang 11 ni saja. Okay, okay, yang data yang ke-8 ni. So nak calculate median, awak kena arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, ni saya padam balik. Arrange the data in ascending order. So, ada data yang ke-11 tu, that means kat sini lah. Okay, dia susunan dia menaik. Okay, ini. Alright. And then, to calculate the median, you have to know the location. Okay, macam mana nak cari location? Awak kena guna formula n plus 1 divide 2. So, n dia adalah the number of observation. Ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 divide 2. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 divide 2, you get 4.5. So 4.5 ni, this is location dia. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5. 4.5 dekat tengah-tengah ni. Okay. Kita tak tahu berapa the median when the location 4.5. Okay, kat tengah-tengah ni 4.5. So how to calculate is you have to take these two data. Okay, take these two data 6 and 8. Okay, apa kita nak buat dengan 6 and 8 ni? So the median, awak kena cari the average between these two data. 6 plus 8 divide 2. Okay, 6 plus 8, 14. 14 divide 2, you get 7. So, this is median. Okay. When this is when the even number observation. Okay, awak akan dapat perpuluhan, decimals kat sini. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. But 4.5, dia di antara 4 and 5. Okay. So, awak kena ambil these two data and then calculate. Awak kena dapatkan average. 6 plus 8 divide 2, you get 7. Okay, so this is median dia. Alright, for example 4. Okay, example 4 ini. Okay, so sama juga, interpret yang sama. This means that 50% of the salesmen sold less than, disebabkan median dia 7. So, tukar kepada 7 cars. And 50% of the others sold more than 7 cars in 1 week. Okay, this is how to interpret the median. Okay, dia ada 50% less, 50% more. Awak kena bagi tahu dia punya percentage dia saja. Okay, dia faham nah? So this is for ungrouped data. How about group data? Okay, this is for ungrouped saja. Okay, okay, the notes. Okay, median for group data. Ni nampak tak? Okay. The first step is to calculate the median location using the formula n divide 2. Okay. For ungrouped data tadi, n plus 1 divide 2. Nak tahu location. For group data, okay, nak tahu location, n divide 2. Alright. To locate the class that contains the median location, calculate the cumulative frequency of each class. Then, use the following formula to calculate the median. So, this is formula median for group data. Okay, so awak tengok kat sini. Okay, yang ni saya ringkaskan macam ni. Okay, kalau awak tengok formula dia, LM. Okay, what is L of M ni? It is lower boundary for the median class. Okay, kalau awak tengok pada page yang sebelah. Okay, LM is the lower boundary for the median class, and then N sama dengan total F kat sini. Okay, N ni adalah total frequency. Okay, total frequency minus dengan total F of M minus 1 ni, that means yang ni. Sorry. Ini, the cumulative frequency before the median class. Okay. And then for F of M ni adalah frequency of the median class, and then C is class size dia ataupun class interval dia. Okay, kalau awak tengok pada ni, Sekejap saya formula dia. Okay, formula dia lower boundary plus n divide 2 minus total, f m minus 1 divide f of m times c. Okay, times c. Okay, this is formula for median. Okay, kalau awak tengok dia agak complicated bahagian sini dengan bahagian bawah ni. Okay, so apa yang saya saya cuba untuk simplify kan. Saya nak cuba bagi awak faham. Okay, LM ni, L of M ni adalah lower boundary for the median class. N divide 2, which is N ni adalah total frequency. Okay, total frequency ni. Frequency, but the total dia. Okay. Minus dengan yang ni adalah cumulative frequency before the median class. Yang ni maksud dia adalah cumulative frequency before the median class. Saya tukar kepada simbol F besar. Okay, saya tak nak awak confuse dengan M-1 ni. Ramai yang confuse dengan M-1. Okay, so yang ni keseluruhan ni saya tukar kepada F besar. Apa dia F besar? Cumulative frequency before the median class. Yang ni adalah frequency of the median class. Okay, saya nak tukar kepada F kecil. M tak ada pun. Okay, tukar kepada F kecil. Frequency of the median class. Times dengan C. C ni apa? C adalah class size dia. Class size dia yang mana? Yang ni lah. Okay. Okay, beza dia berapa? 8. So, class size dia. Okay, the difference number between the first class and the second class, which is 8. Okay, so itulah class size dia. Alright. So, look at for example 5. Okay, yang ni saya tukar. Yang ni cuba fahamkan kalau tak biasa yang ni saya tukarkan kepada F besar. Kalau yang ni tukar kepada F kecil. Alright. Dan saya akan mengajar based on F besar dengan F kecil saja. Okay. So, ni saya padam sekejap. Okay. To calculate median for group data, okay, ni soalan yang sebelum ni lah, sama soalan dia. Okay, obtain score by the 25 employees. So to calculate the median, first step, you have to find the cumulative frequency. Dia punya CF. Okay, cumulative frequency, CF dia. Okay, so macam mana nak calculate cumulative frequency? Start dengan, disebabkan frekuensi dia 2, first class dia, so start dengan 2. Okay, cumulative frequency ni dia tak ada less than, dia tak ada more than untuk yang ni. Okay, so bila tak ada less than or more than, so calculate macam biasa, start dengan 2, and then 2 plus 3, you get 5. Okay, and then 5 plus 8, you get 13. 13 plus 6, you get 19. 19 plus 3, you get 22. 22 plus 3, you get 25. Okay, boleh faham dah? First step. This is first step. Okay. And then second step, you have to know the location. Location dia dalam notes tadi, dia bagi tahu. And divide 2. Nak tahu location. Okay, this is first step. Second step, sorry. Okay, location dia and divide 2. What is n? N is the total number of observation, which is 25. 25 divide 2. How do you get? 12.5. Okay, so 12.5. This is location dia. Okay, location of the median. Macam ni kita nak tahu location of the median for group data ni. So, awak kena n divide 2. So, 12.5. 12.5 awak nak tengok pada mana? Pada cumulative frequency. Bukan pada frequency, but cumulative frequency. Okay, 12.5 ni, dia ada dalam kedudukan mana? Ada pada 2 tak? Tak ada. Ada pada 5 tak? Tak ada. Ada pada 13 tak? Yes. 12.5 ada dalam kedudukan yang 13 ni. Okey. Jangan tengok pada 19. Tengok pada sebelum dia dulu. Okey, tengok sebelum. Kalau 2 ada tak 12.5? Tak ada. 5 ada tak 12.5? Tak ada. 13 ni ada 12.5. Okey, 12.5 ada dalam nombor 13 ni. So, this is the median class. Okay, this is median class dia. Alright. Okay, boleh faham setakat ni nah. Okay, and then barulah bila awak dah tahu median class, barulah awak boleh calculate. Okay, using formula. Okay, calculate using formula. This is symbol for median X tilde. Sorry. Okay, X tilde. So the lower boundary plus n divide 2 minus F besar. F besar which is cumulative frequency before class median divide dengan F kecil times C. Okay, what is L? L is the lower boundary of the median class. So what is the lower boundary of the median class? We know that median class yang ni, the third class. Nak cari lower boundary, 18 plus 17 divide 2. Okay. Lower boundary, 18 plus 17 divide 2. How do you get? 17.5. This is lower boundary for median class. Okay. So, awak boleh terus isi. 17.5 plus dengan n divide 2. N divide 2 ni apa? Okay, location dia. Awak dah calculate dah. 12.5. So, letak terus. 12.5. Sorry dia agak gerak-gerak ke sana ke sini. Okay, hopefully awak faham And then F. F besar ni apa? Cumulative frequency before the median class. Cumulative frequency before the median class. The median class ini. Okay, yang ni, the median class. But, for F besar, cumulative frequency before the median class. Before dia, which is 5. Okay, 5. Divide dengan F kecil. F kecil ni adalah frequency of the median class. Median class, tapi kita nak frequency of the median class. Tak ada before, tak ada after. Kita nak frequency of the median class, which is 8. So, divide 8. Times dengan C. What is C? C is class size. Yang tadi saya dah tunjuk dah. The difference number between the first class and second class, which is 8. Okay. So, this is class size dia 8. And then, dah tahu semuanya, barulah awak boleh calculate. Okay. Macam ni nak calculate? Okay, 17.5. Kekalkan dulu. Selesaikan yang dalam ni. Okay, selesaikan yang dalam ni. So, sorry. Bila selesaikan kat dalam, okay, 12.5 minus 5 divide dengan 8, okay, and then darab dengan 8 juga, awak akan dapat 7.5. Okay, first 12.5 minus 5 and then divide 8 and then darab dengan 8. Okay, awak akan dapat 7.5. So, 7.5 plus 17.5, you get 25. So, this is the answer for median. For group data. Okay. Boleh faham nah? Okay. So, yang tadi F besar tadi, cumulative frequency before the median class, that means 5. F kecil, frequency of the median class, which is 8. Then class size dia is 8. Okay. Kalau awak rasa macam confusion ni, awak senaraikan dulu macam ni. Senaraikan dulu. Okay, lower boundary dia apa, F besar dia apa, F kecil dia apa, C dia apa. And then, n divide 2 dia berapa location dia. Okay, and then barulah awak boleh substitute into formula. Okay, boleh faham nah? This is median for group data. Okay, so interpret pun sama. This means that 50% of the, okay, disebabkan dia pasal employee, dia tentang employee, obtain score. So, this is employee. Okay, 50% of the employees. Okay, score is about score. Okay, score less than berapa? Less than 25. And 50% of the others score. Okay, awak buat ayat awak apa yang awak faham. Okay, score more than 25. Alright, boleh faham lah? Okay, this means that 50% of the employees score less than 25 and 50% of the others score more than 25. Alright, this is for group data. Okay, kalau tak faham boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp. Okay. And then